On this episode of Crypto Wednesday, we're going to talk about building a strategy that loses money most of the time and just have a little bit of an honest conversation of that I'm trying to deal with myself of whether or not I should include it in the strategies that are going from here. And the question is more whether or not you would be able to trade it. And I think that's a question you always need to ask. And kind of the crux of this video and the reason I decided to turn on the camera is because you could build a strategy that does very well. However, if you can't stick to it, that's going to be a problem. So this is one of those that, yes, the strategy does perform very well in the long run, but will you be able to stick to it? And the way I think about it is that if this was my only strategy, no way. Would you trade a strategy in which the equity curve looked like this, in which, for long periods of time, you're slowly giving back money as you're trying to buy a breakout and it's failing and over again, knowing that once a year, once every 2 years, you end up making a whole bunch of money. If someone was discretionarily trading this strategy, I don't think there's any shot in the world that they would be able to perform this over time, right? And just continue to come in and hit the button over and over and over again. Now, again, if you're just interested, if you're someone out there who's not trading systematically right now, you don't have a plan for your trading, you're just coming in every day and doing a little bit of research and hoping you're buying a stock that comes up, go to statsatrading.com. So the idea is that it doesn't become a magic formula to make a bunch of money, but mentally it becomes amazing because you just know that every day you're going to know exactly what it is that you're going to do. And mentally, for me, it's been absolutely amazing. And if you want to give it a try, again, go on over to statsatrading.com.